Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wheeled coolers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Igloo trailmate 52 cube wheeled cooler. This premium cooler is designed for rugged adventurers who need durability and performance. With its 10-inch never-flat wheels, it tackles challenging terrain like sand and rocky paths effortlessly. It features extra-thick 1.5-inch foam-insulated walls and a gasket-sealed lid, giving it extended ice retention that lasts for days. The Shore-Lock rubber latches add convenience, ensuring the lid closes securely with just a simple touch. The design of the trailmate is modern and sleek, with its vibrant blue color and sturdy construction. Weighing 19.9 pounds and featuring a built-in locking plate, bottle openers, and cup holders, it's packed with thoughtful details for a great user experience. However, its weight does make it slightly less portable for solo travelers, so it's ideal for group outings where mobility isn't a primary concern. While this cooler is the most expensive on our list, at $134.99, it delivers premium value for those who want a high-performance cooler for camping, tailgating, or beach trips. The downside? It's not as lightweight as other options, and its customer reviews, while still solid, average 4.2 stars, lower than some competitors. If you're looking for a premium cooler that can handle rough terrain, this is a worthy investment. Coming in at number 4 is the Coleman Marine Cooler, a versatile option designed for boating and fishing enthusiasts. This cooler boasts a UV guard lid and body, which protects it from the sun's harsh rays, making it perfect for outdoor use. Its heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and swing-up tow handles make transportation a breeze, even when loaded with up to 160 cans. With its built-in ruler on the lid and stain-resistant liner, it's both practical and easy to clean, adding to its appeal. The design is durable and functional, featuring rust-resistant stainless steel hardware that extends the cooler's life. It holds ice for up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a reliable companion for multi-day trips. At 17.7 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but its robust build and thoughtful features make it a solid choice for group outings or fishing trips. Priced at $101.99, the Coleman Marine Cooler offers excellent value for its performance and durability. However, its larger size may not be ideal for casual users or those with limited storage space. If you're into boating or fishing and need a cooler that can withstand the elements, this one is hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Igloo Coolers Marine Series, a fantastic option for those who need a large capacity cooler for outdoor adventures. With its massive 90-quart capacity, it's perfect for fishing trips, tailgating, or camping with groups. This cooler features oversized wheels for all-terrain mobility, hybrid latches for secure lid closure, and fully insulated walls that keep ice for up to 5 days. Its engineer-grade hinges and stay-open detent lid design make it easy to access, even when your hands are full. The Marine Series is designed with durability in mind, featuring rust-resistant hardware and a stain-resistant liner for hassle-free maintenance. At 17.2 inches deep and weighing 9.89 kilograms, it's a large cooler that's better suited for stationary use or vehicle-based transport, rather than solo portability. The comfort swing-up rear handle also aids in lifting and loading, making it practical despite its heft. Priced at $125.99, the Igloo Marine Series is a great investment for those who prioritize capacity and performance. The downside is its size and weight, which may not suit casual users looking for something lightweight. If you're serious about your outdoor activities and need a cooler that can hold a lot while keeping contents cold for days, this one's an excellent choice. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Coleman Classic Series Insulated Portable Rolling Cooler. This budget-friendly option delivers impressive performance at just $59.99, making it perfect for value-conscious buyers. With a 65-quart capacity, It holds up to 101 cans and keeps ice for up to 4 days at temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Its heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to transport, whether you're heading to the beach, park, or campsite. The design features molded cup holders on the lid, which can fit tumblers up to 30 ounces, and a leak-proof drain plug for easy water removal. The lid doubles as a seat that supports up to 250 pounds, adding functionality for outdoor use. Despite its low price, it doesn't skimp on quality, with a stain-resistant liner and recessed lip for easier access to contents. The Coleman Classic Series excels in affordability and practicality, making it an ideal choice for casual users or families on a budget. The only drawbacks are its slightly shorter ice retention time compared to premium models and its simpler build quality. If you're looking for a reliable wheeled cooler at a great price, this one is hard to beat. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Coleman Extreme 50 QCat Rolling Cooler. This cooler stands out for its balance of performance, build quality, and user-friendly features. Thanks to its extreme technology, it keeps ice for up to 5 days, even in scorching 90 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 50-quart capacity, it holds up to 84 cans, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or beach outings. The design is rugged and durable, featuring heavy-duty wheels that handle various terrains with ease. The telescoping handle makes it easy to pull, and the robust lid doubles as a seat with a weight capacity of 250 pounds. This cooler also features a leak-proof drain for hassle-free water removal, and a sturdy build that's assembled in the USA. While the price isn't listed, the Coleman Extreme delivers exceptional value for its versatility and durability. It's slightly smaller in capacity than some competitors, but its extended ice retention and practical features make it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. If you're looking for a reliable and well-rounded wheeled cooler, the Coleman Extreme is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.